Creamy and delicious. Eggless custard. This is how I make eggless vanilla custard without using custard powder. 2 cups of milk. Half cup of powdered milk. 1/3 cup of sugar. 1/4 cup of cornstarch. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Pour 1½ cup of milk into cooking pot. Heat milk. Do not let it boil. Heat until little bubbles form around the edges. Meanwhile, place powdered milk, sugar, cornstarch, vanilla extract and salt into half cup of milk. Add pinch of yellow food color and whisk it until all ingredients mix well. Slowly add this mixture to heated milk. Stir continuously to avoid lumps or scalding to the pot. Cook over medium-low heat for 2 to 5 minutes, or until thickened. As soon as mixture thickens, remove it from the heat. After cooking, transfer to a clean bowl and cover with plastic wrap, and refrigerate it for 2 to 3 hours. Or, to set faster, place in small ramekins or bowls. You can garnish with chopped nuts, sprinkles, berries, jam with syrup, chocolate, or serve hot custard with your choice of ice cream. For cold dessert, refrigerate it for 2 hours before serving by covering with plastic wrap to avoid filmy skin. If you have questions regarding this recipe, ask in the comments below. If you have tried this recipe, come back and let me know how it was in the comments. Enjoy! Thanks for watching.